In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete skills from your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're looking to tidy up your profile or simply want to ensure your skills accurately reflect your current expertise, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, it's time to log into your account. You can do this by signing in with either Google or Microsoft, or by using your email address and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your account. This is typically done by entering a code that's sent to your registered phone number, adding an extra layer of security to your login process. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your LinkedIn profile by clicking on your avatar picture located in the upper right corner of the page. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll want to select View Profile. Once you've reached your profile page, scroll down until you find the Skills section. This is the area of your profile that showcases your various abilities and proficiencies. Next, locate the Edit icon, which is typically represented by a small pencil symbol to the right of the Skills section. Clicking on this icon will allow you to make changes to the list of skills displayed on your profile. Here, you'll see all the skills you've previously added to your profile. Take a moment to review them and identify the specific skill or skills you wish to remove. After identifying the skill you want to remove, simply click on it and you'll see an option to delete it. Selecting this option effectively removes the skill from your profile. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, don't forget to save them. Look for the Save button, which should be located in the same area where you were editing your skills. Clicking Save will ensure that all changes you made are applied to your profile. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a skill from your LinkedIn profile. Regularly updating your list of skills can help you maintain a professional and current profile, making it easier for potential employers or collaborators to understand your capabilities. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn presence and other useful tutorials.